that are connected using a system bus or a crossbar. Okay, after SMP, the local crosser is introduced. In the previous session, I have talked about the local cluster, its definition and architecture, its performance, and uh, some other characteristics of local cluster. You know, a local cluster, computer cluster, I can say a computer cluster is a set of loosely or tightly connected computers that work together so that, in many respects, they can be viewed as a single system. Yes? They can be viewed as a single system. You know, in computer cluster, there is a master node that manage all requests, and other computer or machine are called compute node, which can process all requests. Okay, the master node managed is the request. Okay, unlike grid computers, each node of computer cluster set to perform the same task, unlike the grid computers. Now, these are controlled and scheduled by software. Okay, in this figure, okay, this is a local cluster. After local cluster, you can see enterprise grid in this figure. Enterprise cluster grid offer high performance for running grand challenge applications. An enterprise cluster or cluster of clusters consists of some cluster that are connected through high-speed network. Each node of enterprise cluster can be a cluster. Okay, the global cluster envelopes geographically around the world, and finally I can say the interplanet cluster is ideal ideal for platform development. Okay, computer for change, now and future. In this slide, you can see a figure uh, that show the performance of platforms symbolically, or I can say in this figure the performance of platforms are symbolically compared. PC PC computer or personal computer with minimal performance, then workstation, after that mini computer, vector supercomputer, and finally mainframe. The mainframe has high performance in comparison with other type of platforms. Okay, but cluster or grid, cluster or grid includes many workstations, yes, you can see many workstations that work cooperatively. They can provide high performance computing, and you can see this performance is very more than other type of systems. Killer cluster applications. Some applications are called killer cluster applications. These applications need high performance computing. There are different types of these applications. Some types of them are introduced in this slide. Numerous scientific and engineering applications, parametric simulations, business applications, including e-commerce applications such as Amazon.com, eBay.com, or database applications such as Oracle and Cluster, and decision support systems. Okay, another type is internet applications that are used by many clients in the world. Some type of these applications are web serving, infoware such as Yo.com and AOL.com, SPs, application service providers,